How to make a fake Facebook account. Start by opening the Facebook application on your phone. If you want to create a fake account, then tap on Create Account below. Then, tap on Create New Account here. Enter a fake name and tap on Next. Then, choose your date of birth from here. Tap on Next. After that, select your gender. Tap on Next again. Over here, enter your mobile number in which you can be contacted. If you do not want to share your number, then tap on Sign Up with Email Address below. Here, enter your email address and tap on Next. After that, create a password for your account. Make sure to follow the instructions for the password. Then, tap on Next. Here, tap on I agree. A code will be sent to your email address to confirm your account. On this page, you have to enter the code that was sent to you. Now, go back and open Gmail on your phone. Check the mail that was sent to you and copy the 5-digit code from there. Go back to the previous page on Facebook again and paste the code over here. Then, tap on Next. Here, you can add a profile picture for your account or skip it. You have now successfully created a fake Facebook account. Following these steps, you can easily make a fake Facebook account.